So in the last class we have completed the conditional statements. I hope you all understood about the conditional statements, and in today's class we are going to discuss about loops. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. If you are watching this channel for the first time, watch this video till the end, and if you like this video then do like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into this video. In today's class we are going to discuss about loops. Loops are nothing but we can repeat the block of code multiple times. See means we are having this block of code. This is nothing but a line of code, or it can be also known as block of code. Okay, yes, this block will be will be compiled multiple times, will be run multiple times, will be running multiple times. Okay, based on the condition. See here we will be having some condition, so based on that condition this block of code will be running multiple times. Okay, that is nothing but loops. It will be going on in a loop. Okay, see it will be, see first it will be coming here, then it will go inside this, and it will again come out and again inside it, like that. It will be looping like that. So Python will be having some only two loops here. Okay, which is a for loop and another one is a while loop. You have already known about this if you have watched C programming tutorial. Okay, yes. So in a for loop is used to iterate over a sequence in a list, tuple, string or range. See it will be iterating, it is used for iterating in a sequence. Like see in list we will be having some sequence of what items, right? Sequence of members. Like see here we have provided a list of named fruits which is having apple, banana, cherry. These are the members of the list. So this is a sequence. It is a sequential manner which is known as list. So we can iterate over all these items in this list. Okay, and tuple will be same like this, but here you will be having this. Okay, right? That is the difference between tuple and list. And tuple cannot be mutable and list can be mutable. And string is nothing but this one member is known as string. This cherry or this banana or this apple, separately these are called as strings. Okay, yes. And range is nothing but see 1 2, if there is a range of 5, then 1 to 5, all this 1 2 3 4 5, these all known as range, right? See here we are having for I equals to range of 5 means see from 0 to 5, see from 0 to 5 means 5 won't be included, only up to 4 will be included. Okay, that is nothing but range and list, tuple and string. Okay, and now we will be having an example program. See here I have given 3 examples for loop itself. So the first example is iterating over a list. See I will be providing you code and explanation with the by typing here itself. Yes, now I am having some list is nothing but yes fruits itself, and apple, banana, and cherry, and orange, and melon. Okay, let me add one more, berry. Yes, these are the fruits. Oh. Yes, these are the fruits. It's the list fruits, and now we want to access all the members. See here all the members here. Okay, yes, all the members in the list. So how to access? We can access with for loop. For we are just member. We should take one variable name. It would be member, it would be I, it would be something else. Okay, for better understanding I am just writing member in for member in fruits, right? Yes, this fruits is a list name of the list, and this member is a variable which is used to what identify separate members in the list. Okay, yes, after that colon, then inside we have to print everything, right? So print member, member. Okay, now let me run and see what we will be getting. Yes, we have got cherry, orange, melon and berry. Cherry, orange, melon and berry. But what about banana, all this? Yes, we have got everything. Apple, banana, cherry, orange, melon and berry. We have got in serial order also, right? Yes, because it is what? It is indexed, means it can be accessed. It is ordered, right? So that is why we are getting the ordered sequence. So now see, let me just print the numbers with even indexes. If index, no, yes, now I'm going to remove it for I in range of 0 comma but the length of fruits, right? Yes, now after this, see, we are just iterating with the indexes. Okay, yes, if I percent 2 equals to 0, then print fruits of I, right? Yes, now let me run it. Yes, we got apple, cherry and melon, because these are indexes. See, 0 which is divisible by 2, cherry 2 which is divisible by 2, and melon which is divisible by 2. Okay, now let me change it. Yes, banana, orange and berry, we are getting the opposite ones. Okay, yes, this is nothing but list where, see, let's do some what for iteration, fast iteration. Okay, this is not right. Yes, for fast iteration, see, I is equals to 0 because we have given the range from 0, right? See, without this is also it will also give the same output. So I equals to 0 in the first iteration, and then see, we are having I which is 0, 0% 2 equals to 0, right? So then it is printed. Then the fruits of I is printed. Okay, fruits of 0 is printed, and in second iteration I will be, yes, I will be equals to 1, and where 1% 2 is equals to 1, then it won't print, right? In third iteration, I equals to 2, where 2% 2 is 0, so that's why fruits of 2 will be printed. In fourth iteration, we are having I equals to 3, then 3% 2 which is equals to 1, then there is no output printed. Then the fifth iteration, where I equals to 4, where 4% 2 equals to 0 because it gives 0 reminder, and fruits of 4 will be printed. and next we are having the sixth iteration, right? How many iterations we'll be having? We'll be having 6 iterations because the the length of this list is 6 itself, so I equals to 5 here, and 5% 2 is equals to 1, so there is no output printed. So this is the way of running the program. So here fruits of 0, which is nothing but apple, and fruits of 2, which is nothing but cherry, oh cherry, and next fruits of 4, which is nothing but melon, will be printed. See, let me change the condition here. Yes, after running, yes, we are having apple, cherry, and melon, right? These 3 were printed. That's it. I hope you have understood about this. And looping over a list is completed, and next we are having using range. Using range, see, we have already known that also here. Looping over the list, before that is completed, now range was completed, so both we have covered in one program itself. And next we are having looping with index and value, right? See, we can directly print the index also, index for everything. Like, let me see, let me remove it up to here. Yes, I comma, here we are having this. See, I comma fruit is nothing but, see, just now we have taken member, right? Like that, fruit is a variable in enumerate of fruits, means it will be giving both the values from that, means it will be giving the index as well as the member. So here I, and let's take member itself in enumerate of fruits, that's it. And now I'm going to print I comma member. Yes, now after running, what will be getting? Yes, 0 apple, 1 banana, 2, like this. See, here we are getting the index, and here we are getting the member. Okay, here we are getting the member, here we are getting the index. Okay, yes, that is nothing but looping with index. So next we are having while loop. Yes, while loop is nothing but it repeats as long as condition is true. See, here we are having some condition. While this condition is true, it will be entering into this block, and these statements will be executed. After executing, the control will again goes to here. Here the condition will be checked again. If this is true, again it will be these will be executed, and again it will go up, it will come down, go up, come down, like that. Okay, so let's discuss with a program. Okay, yes, here let me remove everything. Yes, okay, yes, now let me give the what elements from 1 to n. So we need to print elements from 1 to n. Enter the last element, last numbers from 1 to n. So let the user print last number. Then after this, we are checking the while condition. While I is less than n. Okay, first I have to declare value of I. We need to print from 1, right? From 1 to n. So printing natural numbers, right? So this is the natural numbers will be starting from 1. So we are starting from 1, starting to print from 1. So while I is less than n, print I. Okay. Yes, I have to give some space. After this, I equals to I plus equals to 1. It is a short form, right? Yes. That's it. Before it, let me give something. Print the natural numbers from 1 are. Yes. Now let me run this and see. It is asking some last number. Let me give 8. Yes. Yes. The natural numbers from 1 are 1 to 7 were printed. Yes. But if we keep equals to here, then it will be printing up to 8. Let me take some small number like 3. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. And if you replace it with 0, then whole numbers will be printed. Whole numbers from 0, right? 0 are. Let me see. 3. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this. See, now I'll be explaining you the working. See, now first iteration I equals to 0, and then it came inside the block, and inside it is printed 0 itself, right? 0 is printed, and in next iteration, and here I became 1. See, here we are having place equals to 1, right? So I became 1. Here I is 1. So 1 is printed. So I became 2, right? Here I became 2, right? And the 2 is printed. Then I became 3. And the condition is checked. And I is 3. And 3 was printed. And it is incremented to 4. Here I equals to 4, and 4 was printed, and I became 5. Okay. Yes. Next here I became 5, and that 5 was printed, and I became 6. But here, as we want up to 5 itself, here it doesn't print anything. It came out of the loop, okay, because we want only the numbers from 0 to 5 itself. Okay. Yes. That's all about while loop. And in Python language we are only having for and while loop. We do not have, see, Python does not have do while loop as in C, Java and JavaScript. In these 3 languages, in loops concept we will be having do while loop also. In C, I think you have understood about do while loop if you watch it. And in Python we do not have do while loop. Okay. Yes, that's all for today's class. If you have any doubts, then comment me down. I'll be watching them and clarifying your doubts. Then if you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to this channel, Easy Engineering. It means a lot to me. Thank you. That's all.